We're thrilled to roll out another game-changing update for SeedProd Premium users, introducing the Video Pop-Up block, a feature designed to boost your website's engagement and user experience. We're also unveiling 12 brand new website template kits to make your site building journey even smoother. With SeedProd's new Video Pop-Up block, you can seamlessly integrate this potent form of visual content into your WordPress site. Setting up your new Video Pop-Up block is a breeze. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get things rolling. Inside of SeedProd, simply find the Video Pop-Up block, select it, drag it into your page, and customize it. That's it. From here, you can dive into the customization options to make the video pop-up truly your own. One of the standout features of the Video Pop-Up block is its versatility in video sourcing. You're not limited to just one platform. Instead, you have multiple options to choose from. For example, you can use YouTube, Vimeo, or a custom video from your media library. This is ideal for exclusive content that you don't want to share on public platforms. You also have great customization options at your disposal, such as autoplay, mute, loop, show player controls or not, privacy mode, lazy loading, and suggested videos. The sticky video feature takes user engagement to the next level. Imagine your viewers can scroll through your website without missing a second of your video content. That's exactly what sticky video accomplishes. When this feature is enabled, the video minimizes to the bottom corner of the page as the user scrolls. This way your audience can multitask, exploring other parts of your page while staying tuned into your video. You can also increase click-throughs by using image overlays. While the video content is the star of the show, the first thing your audience sees is the thumbnail image. By enabling the custom thumbnail option, you can use your own image to give users a sneak peek of the video content. To go along with your custom thumbnail, you can add a custom play icon to make it clear that the image is clickable and leads to a video. If you can have this match your website's branding. Choose from multiple icons and change their color to anything you like with a few clicks. When enabled, the video can even open in a light box, providing a focused and immersive viewing experience. This is especially useful for videos you want to highlight or that contain important information. As if the Video Pop-Up block wasn't enough to excite you, we've got another big update: 12 brand new website template kits designed to cater to various niches. Whether you're in the hospitality sector, healthcare, or e-commerce, there's something for everyone. Each template kit is fully customizable and designed to work seamlessly with all SeedProd features, including the new Video Pop-Up block. Anyone with a paid SeedProd license can update the plugin today to access all these new features and templates. If you're still using the free version of SeedProd, well, now's your chance to upgrade. Until Friday, November 3rd at midnight Eastern Standard Time, we're offering a huge Halloween discount with 60% off for light users only. As always, thank you for supporting us in our mission to make SeedProd the best WordPress website builder.